Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix GCash internet connection unstable. First, check your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, turn it off. Switch to mobile data instead. Wait a few seconds, then open the GCash app again. Many times, this alone fixes the problem. If the error is still there, close the app completely. Now open the Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type GCash and open the app page. Check if there is an update available. If you see an update button, download and install the update. An old version of the app can cause connection issues. After the update finishes, open GCash again and check if it works. If the problem is not fixed yet, open your phone settings. Go to App Management or Apps, depending on your phone. Open the list of installed apps and look for GCash. You can also use the search bar to find it faster. Tap on GCash to open its settings. Now go to Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Do not clear data, only clear the cache. After clearing the cache, go back to your home screen and launch the GCash app again. The internet connection error should now be gone. Also, make sure you are not using any VPN. VPNs can block or slow down the connection and cause problems with GCash. Thanks for watching.